And a full moon welcome to Art of Tiny Living. So a little bit of a life hack. We're trying to get a little bit of heat into our canopy. The trick's supposed to do with candles, and it heats up the flower pot. We're going to see if it works this way. And the answer to your question is no, it didn't exactly work that way, but it worked out well enough. The golden hour. This canopy won't be here much longer. You can see there's a little bit of a hole there in the side. Yeah, we've been fighting 70+ mile-an-hour winds for the better part of a week, and it's ripping us up a little bit. The sun's still pretty though. So yeah, we'll tear it all down, put it all away, repurpose this one. Got a little different style carport that we're going to put up instead. At least that one's supposed to be a little bit better. We'll see. It'll also be a little bit smaller, but it'll have 8 legs compared to 6. So yeah, it looks like moving day all over again. We should have a yard sale. Wonder if we can get anybody to come out here. If we have enough traffic, will the county actually clear the road for us? Questions.
Like and subscribe.
So yeah, all the tarps, canopy covers, everything has to come down. We're going to repurpose part of it, as you'll see later, but for the most part, this is a little too big and too wimpy, and we could strap it, we just couldn't, and keep the wind from moving it around. We just couldn't keep the dust out of it. That looks more meteorite. It's got some grayish blue.
This one looks more like lava rock rice bracelet.
But that's what this is too. So
that one has blue in it.
But it is kind of a blue. Yeah. So in order to pay battle to the wind, we're starting over. Regrouping, refortifying. Yeah, notice that jacket. It's a good thing we moved down here to be warm. Rip this up pretty good, so we're going to do it different. A quick little look at the up-and-coming canopy. Yeah, 3 foot shorter, same height, same width.